Let's have a look at it very, very carefully. Angle made by a line with x-axis. And this has a great consequence on a lot of places. We need this idea of finding the angle between the line itself and the x-axis. Let's understand it very, very clearly what that means. So, I have, let's make, alright, so this is x-axis and y-axis, right, positive and negative, and then we have a line. Let's have a yellow line. Alright, so this is a line, right?
Yes.
Now I want to know the angle made by this line with the x-axis. I'm not interested at the moment with the y-axis. I'm not interested. I mean, we can find, but I'm not interested. So the thing is, I need to know something about the line. I cannot just find an angle. I need to know something. Let's say if I know 2 points of a line, I know the whole line. Okay? So let's assume that I know at least what? 2 points of the line. So I'm going to take 2 points. I can take anywhere. To make things simpler, I'm going to take 1 point here, 1 point here. So this point I call it x1, y1, and I call this point as x2, y2, y2. What does this mean? This means that x1, what is x1? From here to here. Okay, I will write it like in green. From here to here, how much is it? X1. And from here to here it's
y1.
This is what it means to have a point x1, y1 on the line. Isn't it?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Similarly, I have x2, y2. What does that mean? That means from
0.
let me, if I draw like this, if I come down, this is how much?
y2.
y2, excellent. Forget about it. This point is
Y2.
y2. From here to here, the length is y2.
Y2.
The length is y2. Right? And from here to here it is
Yeah, x2.
x2. What am I interested in? I am interested in finding the angle. So where is the angle of this line with the x-axis? Where is the angle? Where? Where? Show me. X-axis is a line. This is a line, right? The angle is made where the intersection happens. So this is the angle that I am interested in. This is the angle. This is the angle. And let's say this is theta. What is the angle?
Theta.
And this is what I want to find. I have been given a line. On the line I have 2 points. And I want to find the angle made by the line with the x-axis. I have set everything ready. All ready. Now, the thing is, I have information about these 2 points. So I need to use these 2 points. Raja, don't sleep up. Please. Please, 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 please. So from here, if I draw a line like this, and like this, there is something funny that happens, or very, very useful. These 2 lines are parallel. This is a right angle triangle. This theta is equal to, right? We know this property. When we have 2 parallel lines, and if there is a line that cuts, this, if this is theta, this is also theta, right? They are what kind of angles? Corresponding angles. So therefore, Baba, I'm going to write this as also
Theta.
clear.
Yes,
If I find this theta, Baba, this theta is also the same. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So, to find this theta, somehow I need to, if I can use some trigonometric function, like sine, cos, tan. Sine is p by s, sine theta equals to
Cos can B by
tan is
Tan is
B by B.
p by b. Can I find p is this one for this triangle, right?
Yes.
Perpendicular. And
B.
B is this one.
can I find these two lengths given
Yes.
other things?
Yes.
That's the question.
Yes.
Yes.
I know how much is from here to here. How much is it?
Y2.
Y2. All the way from here to here is Y2. Already written. And I need this much. If I know, oh sorry, okay. Okay. And I know how much is from here to here. How much is it?
Y1.
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 Y1. This one and this one. They should be equal, right?
Yes.
So Y1 is here. From here to here. From here to here is Y2.
Y2.
From here to here is Y1.
Y1.
So what is the length of this part?
Y2 minus Y1.
So this is going to be
Y2 minus Y1.
Y2 minus Y1. Right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
And then now I have found what? I have found perpendicular of that triangle. Of that triangle given here.
B.
Let's say this triangle is P,
B,
Q.
Q.
Now I need to find base. Can I find the base?
Yes.
How can I find the base?
This from
I
Q
know
to
from
R is
here to here is how much?
X2.
X2. And from here to here is
X1.
X1. So if I subtract what?
X2 minus X1.
The whole X2, and if I subtract X1, I will get this part, right?
Yes.
So how much is this one?
This one is X2 minus X1.
I can write
Tan theta square B by
X2 minus
X1.
X1. Right? From here to here. So, I know everything now. What is the angle? What is the angle? Rather than angle, I can find what?
Tan
What is the relation between P and B?
Tan theta.
Tan theta is the trigonometric function that connects,
P
that
and B.
relates perpendicular
Perpendicular and base.
So, now I will do
Tan theta is equals to P by B. B by B.
perpendicular
Perpendicular
of a triangle, right?
Of a triangle divided by base of a triangle.
Perpendicular is how much?
Y2 minus Y1.
What is base?
Base X2 minus X1.
That gives me tan theta. Tan theta I know. Tan theta is also considered to be the slope. The whole tan theta, right? We call it slope. But if I want to, the slope. So slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What about slope? What about angle theta in degrees or radian? How do we find it?
Theta.
Theta equals to,
Tan inverse.
you can take inverse, right? And you can use tan inverse.
Y2 minus
So the interesting thing is that if you know 2 points of a line, you can immediately find what? Angle that it makes. All that you need is y2, y1, x2, x1. And then you subtract. And then you get what you need. Right? So given a line, if someone asks you to find the angle that it makes, the first thing that you will ask, demand is 2 points. And if you cannot find 2 points, somehow you have to do something to find 2 points. But there are other ways also. You may not need 2 points. but that's the other thing, okay? So that's how we find angle made by a line with the
X-axis.
Axis.